Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Minecraft connection timed out error Getsockopt so you can join servers without connection issues. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable because this error is usually caused by network problems. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection for better stability. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you are using, since it can block or slow down your connection to the server. After that, allow Minecraft through your firewall and antivirus settings to prevent it from being blocked. You should also flush your DNS cache by opening Command Prompt and typing ipconfig/flushdns to refresh your network settings. Another important step is to check the server IP and make sure it is correct and online. If the issue continues, try restarting your PC and router together. Finally, relaunch the game and connect again, and the error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.